Welcome back to my channel, where today we're unlocking the doors to something that has the entire world talking. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a jaw-dropping Mercedes-Benz RV 2026 masterpiece, a million-dollar palace on wheels that's rewriting what luxury travel really means. Imagine a vehicle that fuses futuristic design, world-class engineering, and every luxury imaginable into a single rolling mansion. From the sleek aerodynamic body to the handcrafted interiors, this motorhome isn't built just to move, it's built to impress. The exterior alone looks like a luxury yacht reborn for the highway, with flawless curves, panoramic windows, and bold LED lighting. Step inside, and it feels less like stepping into an RV and more like entering a billionaire's penthouse. Every inch has been designed with precision, sophistication, and Mercedes-Benz excellence. Whether it's the leather seating, the climate control systems, or the seamless integration of smart home tech, this RV doesn't compromise on anything. It's comfort, technology, and prestige, all moving together down the open road. Now, let's begin with the heart of every home, the kitchen. Mercedes-Benz has taken luxury cooking to an entirely new level. This is not your standard RV kitchenette. It's equipped with a full gourmet setup, induction cooktops, a convection oven, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee system that rivals high-end cafes. The countertops are crafted from fine stone, with LED lighting glowing beneath for a futuristic touch. There's plenty of storage, sleek cabinets with soft close hinges, and a dining setup that can expand at the touch of a button. Whether you're preparing a simple breakfast or a 5-course dinner, this kitchen is designed to make cooking on the road feel like cooking in a mansion. Moving on to the bedroom, luxury doesn't take a step back, it only gets better. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz RV's Master Suite is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary. A king-sized bed with memory foam mattress adjusts at the touch of a button. Mood lighting lines the ceiling and walls, creating an atmosphere you can tailor for rest, romance, or relaxation. Large panoramic windows let you wake up to breathtaking views without leaving the comfort of your sheets. Every detail, from the handmade headboard to the built-in entertainment system, whispers luxury. This is a bedroom that makes even 5-star hotels look outdated. Next, the bathroom. Something most RVs sacrifice, but not this one. Here, Mercedes-Benz has created a spa experience on wheels. Full-sized marble countertops, rainfall showers, heated floors, and even ambient lighting controlled by voice command. There's a deep soaking tub option, something unheard of in most RVs. The fixtures are polished chrome, the mirrors have built-in touch sensors, and the storage feels endless. This bathroom doesn't just provide function, it delivers indulgence. It's a place where you can unwind after a long day's travel as if you were in a luxury resort. Now, let's repeat that cycle because this RV is so impressive it deserves another round. Back to the kitchen. This time we notice how seamlessly it integrates with the living area. There's a hidden wine cooler, retractable counters for extra prep space, and even a touchscreen display built right into the backsplash for recipes and entertainment while cooking. The bedroom again, now highlighting the walk-in closet, a rare gem in RV design. It features automated racks, custom lighting, and enough space for even the most extravagant wardrobe. The bed area also includes surround sound and climate control independent of the rest of the RV, meaning total personalization of your comfort. The bathroom once more. Here we look at the dual sinks, high-end luxury vanities, and the smart mirror that can display weather, navigation, or even your morning news. It's high-tech, high-class, and high comfort. Finally, let's wrap it with one more showcase of each. Another kitchen with luxury dining setup, another bedroom where technology and luxury embrace, another bathroom that feels like a resort spa, and finally, the grand reminder, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz RV is not just transportation, it's a million-dollar mobile lifestyle. This is the future of road travel, where luxury knows no limits and every mile feels like a dream. And that's the tour of the Mercedes-Benz RV 2026. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most luxurious motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible reviews, and stay tuned for more vehicles that redefine what it means to live and travel in style.